Films founder Gul Khan recently launched her new show Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do? And on this special launch, India Forums did an exclusive interview of the maker. So without further ado, let's find out what all Gul shared. So firstly, Gul, what would you like to say finally Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do is going on air?
Well, I hope that they wait and watch before they start bashing us again. First, let them see the show and then take a call.
One exclusive reveal about Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do on India Forums.
I think what nobody knows is that it is the story of an acid victim and how she's going to overcome that. So this time Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do has many layers, because the older one was a classic Cinderella love story. This time we have a lot of social messages also, and there's a lot of subtext in the story. So it is a story of a victim and how she's going to overcome her pain.
Any 5 reasons to watch Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do?
My God, there are many reasons. I think firstly you should watch, which is my personal reason why I like this season of Is Pyar so much. Is it's about second chances. Everybody in life feels at some point of time that this is end. They're not getting loved, or they have lost their parents, or you feel God is not with you. But then there's one moment which comes and makes you feel no, there is God, and you should have faith, and you should believe in people, and you should believe in love. So Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, this one is about that second chance. And I think more than 5 reasons, this one reason should be enough for everybody, because everybody goes through pain in life, and there are moments in everybody's life where you feel ke, shit man, life is so bad. Shit man, why is God doing this to me? Why me? So but then one nice thing happens and you start believing, you start having faith again. So Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do is about having that faith again. So I think that should be the biggest reason why people should watch, because it will make you believe in God. It will make you believe in belief.
Did you have a second thought while casting Shivani?
No, like I don't even see, when I'm casting, I don't even see the previous shows. Like when I did cast Sanaya, I had not really seen Mile Jab Hum Tum. When I had cast Barun, I had not seen Baat Hamari Pakki ever at all. Even with Nakul, Kunal and Ru, I had not seen their old shows. So I generally don't see the previous shows at all.
Is it difficult, and is there a pressure to create a new Jodi that people would like?
See, there is always pressure to perform, because you want everything that you do should work. You want everything that all Jodi that you make, people like it. So yes, that pressure is always there. And Is Pyar, the pressure now has become double because everybody's like, you're not repeating the same Jodi, so you better make this Jodi work.
How much do you think will the scene overlap from season 1 and season 3?
See, there are going to be elements of Is Pyar which are going to overlap, because there are elements which we want to overlap, and there are going to be elements which are not going to overlap. So yeah, there will be bashing for the overlapping elements. Let's see.
Tanhaiya was a hit. So do you plan on coming up with new web series?
We are planning to do more web series.
How difficult is it to deal with the bashing that you and your team has been receiving for your shows?
It's not new. I think bashing is there with every show. I remember when Geet shut, they were bashing me. That's the first time I had written a post on India Forums. That was the first time I had written something for Forums. Because Star 1 had shut down, because they had made Star 1 into Life OK. And they were like, why are you shutting Geet? So I was like, that was the first time they were bashing. Then when IPK was shutting, they were bashing. Then we were taking a leap in Kabul Hai, they were bashing. So now for me, it's become pretty normal. Yes, it is extremely, extremely nasty, and sometimes I get mad and I lash out, and then sometimes I stay quiet. So, but I'm really amazed, because all these are girls, and I'm really surprised that how a woman can think so negatively about another woman and because they become personal, and they pick up things about me being a woman, and they take it to another level altogether. And honestly, I'm very surprised at how young girls think like that, talk like that in an open forum, in a public forum.
Lastly, message for your fans.
I hope you all love it as much as you've loved all the other shows, and wish us luck and pray for us. Hopefully, inshallah, this time also the couple will be as popular as the previous time. Yes, I would love to say to the fans that, though unfortunately in the media and everything we talk about hate mails, but I must say that the love mails are far, far, far more than the hate mails, and they are amazing. The kind of artwork they do. In fact, I had written to somebody who runs a fan club for me that because I was so touched that somebody actually takes out time and color corrects your pictures and writes a note. So yeah, it's amazing to have that kind of love from fans, and I think since you guys reach out to the fans from India forums, and such lovely things they write, and they send good wishes and everything, and it's good for the show because we feel, wow, we have written it, we are doing it, and people are watching it and they're loving it and they're liking it. So it's great. It's a great feeling, and I would like the fans to like really take this thanks from me and from the entire team.
India Forums wishes Gul and her team all the very best.
Hi, this is Gul Khan and you're watching me on India Forums.
Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.